If you would like to pair the chiffon cake with Earl Grey-infused whipped cream, you will want to get this step started ahead of time. Pour double cream into a saucepan and gently heat it over medium-low, just until it starts to simmer, not boil. Once it's warm, take it off the heat and pour it into a bowl, ideally stainless steel or another non-reactive material to steep the tea. Add in 4 Earl Grey tea bags. Let them steep for about 30 to 45 minutes so the flavor really comes through. Then cover the cream and pop it into the fridge for at least 8 to 12 hours to chill and infuse fully. It takes a bit of planning, but it's absolutely worth it for that subtle fragrant finish. Meanwhile, mix the salt into the icing sugar to bring out the flavor, then set it aside until needed. After 12 hours of infusing, remove the tea bags. You might want to give them a gentle squeeze to get all those lovely flavors out. Add the vanilla extract for extra flavor. Then sieve in the icing sugar mixture to keep the cream smooth and lump-free. Whisk on medium speed until steep peaks form. Be careful not to overmix. As soon as it's done, stop the mixer right away, or the cream can turn grainy. You will know it's ready when the cream looks velvety and holds its shape beautifully. Now pop a lid on and refrigerate it until you are ready to use. Start by infusing the milk with Earl Grey tea bags. Gently warm the milk and let the tea sip for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool slightly. Squeeze out the tea bags and top it up to 58 ml if needed and set it aside. Add the flour, baking powder and salt. Sieve them to remove lumps and ensure they are evenly distributed. To enhance the flavor even more, add in the dried leaves from a tea bag. It gives a beautiful aroma and subtle texture. Add the sugar to the egg yolks and beat at medium speed until pale and almost doubled in volume. Then add the vegetable oil, Earl Grey-infused milk, and vanilla extract. Continue beating until everything is well incorporated. Add the dry ingredients mixed, beating until just combined. Then finish mixing by hand to avoid over-mixing. Your batter should look smooth and well combined, just like this. Add the egg whites into a grease-free mixing bowl, then add the cream of tartar, or use half a teaspoon of lemon juice or white vinegar as a substitute. Whisk at medium-low speed until the egg whites become foamy. Now add the sugar in 3 additions, giving it 30 seconds to a minute between each one to let the sugar dissolve. Once all the sugar is in, turn the mixer to a medium-high speed and continue whisking until steep peaks form. Scoop a small amount of meringue into the cake batter to loosen the texture first. Then pour the batter back into the meringue and gently fold everything together using a whisk. When there aren't any white blobs left, switch to a spatula to make sure everything is well combined. Don't forget to carefully scrape the bottom of the bowl where unmixed batter often hides. You will know the batter is ready when it's smooth, airy, and flows off the spatula like a thick ribbon. Pour the batter into the ungreased tube pan in one spot. This makes it easier to handle both the pan and the batter without making a mess. Then lift the pan a few inches high and drop it against the work surface to release any trapped air bubbles. Also, run a skewer through the batter to get rid of any small air pockets. These two simple steps help create that signature chiffon cake delicate texture. Finally, gently shake the pan to level the surface if needed. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, invert the pan immediately to prevent the cake from collapsing. Let it cool completely in the pan like this. Now the cake is completely cool with no sinking, just what I was hoping for. I'm going to unmold the cake by gently pressing along the edges, little by little, including around the funnel. Then use your fingers to gently push the bottom up. The cake should release nicely. Repeat the same gentle pressing around the base to release it from the bottom of the pan. Get your serving plate or cake stand ready, then flip the tube pan upside down. The cake should come out cleanly and beautifully. The cake smells incredible. Honestly, I would be happy to eat it just like this, but we are not stopping here. Let's turn it into something we can really be proud of. there you have it. I hope you will give this Earl Grey chiffon cake a try. It's light, airy, and delicately infused with the floral citrus notes of Earl Grey. That whipped cream on top really brings it all together. You will find the link of the full recipe in the descriptions below, along with tips to help you get that perfect rise and soft, cloud-like texture. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with fellow home bakers who love a good tea time treat. Got questions? Pop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help, and your question might be useful for someone else too. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we never miss a chance to bake together. Thank you so much for watching. Your support truly means the world to me. If you love delicate cakes with a hint of something special, I think you will enjoy this recipe. Click the screen to watch it next. See you there, and happy baking. Bye for now.